In this video, we will share a DIY RC work stand. This stand is made with a turntable along with scrap wood pieces including plywood and 4x4 lumber. The turntable includes ball bearings. This will allow the two pieces of plywood to turn independently. The turntable bearings were open, so I added grease to them. One thing to keep in mind with the turntable and plywood is the screw holes. The turntable includes screw holes on the corners. You can cut the plywood pieces near the width of the turntable. If one of the pieces is wider, one will need to be smaller to access the screw holes. As seen, I chose to have the wider plywood piece at the bottom and the 4x4 at the top. This is because I wanted the 4x4 to fit the RC skid plate and let as much of the suspension links to be as free as possible. Here is the axial capra on this DIY RC workstand. We will rotate the axial capra to see multiple angles. Here is the Traxxas Ford Bronco on this DIY RC workstand. Now we will rotate the Traxxas Bronco to see multiple angles. Now that we've rotated both the vehicles, we can see how easy it would be to work on RC vehicles from all sides. If for any reason we need a little bit more clearance with the suspension links, we can just add another piece of scrap wood. For something more complex than a square-shaped base, we could later build an adapter plate to sit on the top. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this DIY RC workstand. Let us know in the comments what you use for your RC workstand and if it's DIY or not. If you haven't yet, subscribe now. Comments and likes are welcomed. Thank you for watching.